Thrilled to share with you our newest listing in the Vines in Estero, 8512 Fairway Bend Drive. This is a beautiful, large, spacious, 2-car garage villa. So low maintenance, and I cannot wait to show you. We're gonna start right outside with the oversized lanai and the incredible golf view. Estero Country Club is a very popular club here in the area. Known for the great golf course. They have an awesome golf shop. They've got great amenities, and we're going to talk more about those in a minute. But first, I just want to show you how large this undercover space is here. Again, this is a side-by-side villa, so it offers you a low-maintenance living. Fantastic social membership to the club is included. Golf is optional, but it is available. There is no wait list for the golf here, which is phenomenal because it is a very well thought of golf course and club. So you come off of the lanai through those sliders into the really spacious great room. What I immediately noticed when I walk in this room are these super tall ceilings and how bright this unit is. So you can see this room is extremely neutral. It does have brand new carpet in the living space and in the bedrooms, but you can see here we've got a triple slider that opens up, another double slider. So there is so much natural light in this unit. We're going to come right back to the primary bedroom suite, which also has a tremendous amount of light because it's got 2 access points with sliders out to that fabulous lanai. But you can see here, this is a king size bed. This is very spacious. So this unit is move-in ready. It is extremely clean. It is mostly neutral. There is some colored paint on some of the walls for somebody who would want to come in and customize. They are original bathrooms, but again, very neutral and in very lovingly maintained condition. So it is a perfect place for someone to get started here in the Southwest Florida lifestyle, because one of the things I want you to know about this neighborhood is that the location is phenomenal. We're going to take a quick peek here in the closet. Nice big closet here. Good size walk-in. But again, back to the location. So this community is located right off of 41, which runs north and south. It is about 10 minutes to the airport. You're about 10 minutes to Coconut Point. You're about 10 minutes to Gulf Coast Town Center. So it is in the heart of Estero, and it is west of 75 and just east of 41. So really a wonderful location. You're about probably 20 minutes to the beaches and so many shops, restaurants, Florida Gulf Coast University. There is so much here within just a short drive. So it really is a phenomenal option for someone who is looking to kind of get into our market. Again, this is a really well-priced villa. And let's continue our tour here. So coming in, it is a galley style kitchen that is very neutral. It recently was painted in here, and you can see it could probably use a little love, maybe some new cabinets. I've seen people take this wall down. Obviously, you would need to talk to an engineer about that structurally to make any kind of plans like that, but I have seen that as an option. But if you didn't want to and you just want to get started, you really can move right in. Now, the doorway is here on the side. So just to kind of give you got your kitchen here to the left, move into the great room, and then you have a nice sized den right here to the right. So again, tall ceilings in here. This is a fairly neutral room. There would need maybe a little bit of work, but again, huge windows letting in a tremendous amount of light. Even when the lights are off in here, it is so nice and bright. All right, we're going to move back here to the back part of the unit, which is the front of the house. You have a linen closet here. Where we just passed is the garage entry. We're going to come back to that. So here is bedroom 2. Again, very nice size. You have a big window with a Bahama shutter in the front of the house, which we will go take a look at. This is a queen size bed, but plenty of space. You could go to a bigger bed if you wanted to. You could add more furniture if you wanted to. You could put a set of sometimes I see people with 2 twin beds in their second bedroom. So you've got lots of options in here with the space, and then another walk-in closet down here off of bedroom 2. So this is a 2-bedroom with den. And then here is your guest bath. So again, you can see it is a little dated from the time when it was built, but it's in very good condition, and it is very neutral. Walls are painted recently with white paint. You do have white tile here for the tub shower combo, and a light vanity. So again, extremely neutral. And then right across from here is your hallway laundry. Got some extra storage up there. All right, we're gonna go take a look at the front so I can give you an idea of what the front of this looks like and how the entrance works. So I'm going a little backwards today from how I often do these walkthroughs, but all right, so again, these are twin villas, so 2 units in each building. And then you have this cute little walkway into your own entrance. Look at that gorgeous palm tree. So you got a couple palm trees. Like most of our neighborhoods here, your landscaping is included. So just give you a quick look at Fairway Bend Villas. So nice little neighborhood here within the neighborhood. They do have a dedicated pool that is walkable from this unit, but roofs were just done a couple years ago. Check out how cute it is with the Bahama shutter, the garage that has some windows, nice sized driveway. It's fantastic. What'd you think? Do you know somebody who this might be a good fit for? If so, please share this video. You could like it, subscribe to our channel. You'll see every time we have new listings, and we release new content every week about what's happening here in Southwest Florida. You can always contact me directly at 239-776-6872. You can find us on social media. If you're interested in this property or want any more details, please reach out to me, and I'm happy to share that with you, because I want to help you live joy too.